How do we calculate the force of gravity using Formula 1? Well, we'll start with an example. We have a student. She determines the mass of her backpack is 14.72 kilograms, which we will notice has 4 digits in it. So what is the force of gravity? We're going to do this the simple way first, which is to put in our mass, 14.72, and we'll use the full constant. We cannot go wrong with that, 80665. And when we finish that answer, we get 144.35388 newtons. Now, of course, we don't really know this value to the 353,888. There's another 8. We don't really know this to the 10 millionths place. What we are limited by is this has 4 digits and this has 6. And our rule is whichever one has the least. So we can report 4 digits in our answer. So the force of gravity, we go to the 4th digit, and this 5 would cause it to round up. So we can report 144.4 newtons is our final answer. 4 digits we were given, 6 digits in the constant, we end up with 144.4. So you notice the number of digits that we are reporting is limited by this number 4. We never want our constant to be the one that limits the number of digits. So now let's use the second technique I gave you, which is to take the number of digits and use one more. So to use 5 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we would use 9.8067. And if we were to do that calculation, we have 14.72 times 9.8067. And we get 144.35464. Now again, we are limited by the 4 digits. And we give force of gravity is 144.4 newtons again. So both of those are fine, completely fine. Again, we said you could use the method 1, the unrounded, or the second one. You got to do a little more thinking work and rounding to use that. And all it did was save you typing in 1 digit in your calculator. But what if we didn't do that? What if we had done the calculation as Fg equals mg, and we had used 9.81. So 14.72 times 9.81. We get 144.4032 newtons. Now, this number has 4 digits and this has 3, so that means we can only report 3, and it's these 3. And so our final answer to the correct number of digits is 144 newtons. So when we use a constant that has a smaller number of digits than our data, we will end up losing a level of precision. This, we know 10 times better using these techniques than these. We have 4 digits versus 3. So that's how we do a calculation using the force of gravity.